Okay. I'm hoping that this is recording properly. I am doing the other one. Again, it's a cream gel liner, and the color is, I want to say I spun, but it's Big Splash. Again, it's going to be another blue, light blue, or like a seafoam type blue. It's a little darker than the other one. I'm not going to open this one yet, but it's really cute. Now on to the other two palettes that I have in here. This is the Making Mauves. Making Mauves. Okay. And I will open this. I'm so excited. This one is more of a paper, not plastic, and I can keep. Ooh, it's kind of messy. This one has all mauves, some shimmers in there. Okay. And the last one, the one that I was saving for the last, is on Cloud Blue. This one I'm really excited about. I don't do a lot of blues. This is plastic with the new packaging. Let's get this open. There you go. Look at that baby. Isn't she something? And yeah, there's another pressed glitter in there. I'm going to be able to do something with all of this. So these are the colors that I have to play with. I can't wait to show you guys some looks with these 6 palettes, and 2 eyeliners are going to go in my waterline. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. Take care.